So, sa mga gusto mag-loan ng Pag-ibig, ganito lang ka-simple. So, mag-loan online. So, kailangan register ka sa Virtual Pag-ibig. Then, mag-loan na tayo. So, log in. Then, dito sa main. Then, multi-purpose loan. Then, apply now. So, ito yung previous loan. Then, apply now. So, estimated loan. Less existing loans. Then, net proceeds. So, enter desired amount kung magkano lang yung gusto mong i-loan or maximum net proceeds. Then, loan purpose. Then, loan terms. Then, loan application details. Yung monthly amortization mo. Then, partner bank. Then, click I agree. Then, submit. Then, enter one-time PIN na matatanggap mo through text sa cellphone number mo. Then, proceed. So, status, pending pa. So, awaiting for employer approval. So, kailangan ipala mo sa employer na nag-loan ka. So, sa status naman ng employer, after niya ma-approve, then approve na ng employer. So, wait mo na lang 3 to 5 working days, papasok na yan sa account mo. Then, burger naman dyan.